Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about how you can turn an old jeans into a beautiful dress. So this jeans, actually the upper part I made apron, and this is the leftover. So we only need the leg part of the old jeans, and you can use some old t-shirt or something for the designing, or any leftover fabric. So just cut it and separate it in the just open it like this way, as you can see. And after that, just take a dress, whatever dress you want. I'm making this for my daughter, so I just place this dress and mark accordingly, and half of the armhole I just trace, because other half will I will make with the straps. So see, that's how you have to mark it. And now just recheck that everything is okay, and after that just cut it. So you can see I also add the seam allowances, and after that I'm just cutting it. Make sure that all marking are equal. So guys, if you like this video, please press the thumbs up. See here, I just take the other half of my shoulder, and I will cut the steps according to that. And for designing purpose, I'm just tracing a heart shape. You can draw it freehand, but I prefer to trace exactly. And see, I'm just cutting from a leftover fabric. This is to make the applique on our dress for the designing, and you can skip this part if you don't want the designing, but it will really look beautiful. You can place on your dress where you want, and see, it will really look beautiful. Now I'm cutting the other heart, and after that I will show you how you can make this applique with your machine. You can also attach this heart with the hand stitch, the invisible hemming stitch. You can check in my playlist, or otherwise if you have zigzag machine, you can also do it by that machine. So I'm just sticking this interfacing with this fusible interfacing, and just to give it a shape. But if your fabric is thick, no need for this, and you can skip this part. And now I'm on my machine. You can select any zigzag design that you want, and I here select the honeycomb design, and I'm just stitching around the corners. And you can see now it's time to stitch the outfitting lines from here and here. You can use a serger, or with a regular machine you can just stitch all these fitting lines. And after that I will show you how you can make the bias binding and make the strips. So make the straps, and now I'm just cutting the bias binding, and you have to cut it in the 45 angle. And now I will make these bindings here. And guys, if you are first time here on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you can get a notification. And if you are beginner, I already have uploaded complete course for the beginners, in which you can learn how to make your own pattern and your own dress. So now I'm just making the straps. Just stitch it like this way, and after that we will attach this with our dress. So with the upper part of this jean, I already uploaded tutorial how you can make the apron, the kitchen apron. You can also check in my playlist. So within one jeans I'm able to make one dress and one apron, so no need to waste your old dresses. So I just stitch this strap, and after that I will attach this with our dress. So see, now I'm going to attach this with the dress, and the length of the strap is obviously according to your shoulder size. Now just place it here on the corner and stitch it, and make sure that you double stitch it, because here the pressure will be more, because this is holding your all jeans dress. That's why make sure you double stitch it. So we are all almost done. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.